ever gets all their stuff done in one day. Certainly not me. I think the first thing I'm gonna do is drink this water so that I feel like an actual human. And then I'm just gonna throw my laundry in, because the thing is, I'm a multitasker. So if I can do something while something else is being done, I'll do it. So if I go through my laundry in now, as early as it is in the morning, I can have my laundry done in like an hour and a half. So let's go do some laundry. Mushrooms, cilantro, a loaf of sourdough, some of these Abe's vegan mini muffins, got some little beverages. Got some chocolate chip cookie dough mix. And I got some mild cheddar and Monterey Jack cheese. I got some of this organic strawberry probiotic yogurt. I got some of these Health Aid lemon lime prebiotic soda from, it's like kombucha soda. They were on sale. They're like $1 each. So I got like 3 of these. I got 1 ripe avocado, which I'm gonna eat today. Ooh, I got some of this because I've been struggling with making chicken. So I thought if I just get these frozen, already cooked grilled chicken, I have a recipe I'm gonna make with this. I'm gonna make a what I eat in a week or a couple days video, so stick around and you'll see what I make with this. I got a shallot and 2 things of asparagus, some eggs. I got some grated Parmesan cheese. I got 2 little spices. I have basil, cayenne pepper. These were on sale. I got a pouch of black beans. I got this Fiesta blend of cheese. I got sour cream. Got another one of those sodas. I got 2 things of cream cheese. I got 2 of these little sacks of mini creamer potatoes. I got the yellow ones and then the red ones. I got a bag of avocados. I got a little thingy of garlic. And last but not least, I got some vanilla soy milk creamer for my coffee. And that's my grocery haul. That's my grocery haul. That's all the stuff I got at Whole Foods. Honestly, like, going grocery shopping is one of my favorite things. Comment below if that's also your favorite thing. Maybe I'll end this video here. This might be the end of my like reset day-ish. So if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned to see what I make with all the groceries.
that I just bought. I'm going to do a little what I eat video, and see you in the next one.